Good morning again, everyone. This is Fibre Tech Carpet Care Limited in Victoria, BC. My name is Christine, and we just arrived at a lovely home in Esquimalt, BC. And we're basically cleaning this whole entire house, and we're going to be doing a couch. So I just wanted to let you know what we're going to be doing here today and give you the before shot of the carpet. So we'll just take a quick go around here so everybody can see what we're working with here. And there's a kitty here too. There's a kitty here too. But you can see there's quite a few spots here that need attending to. We've got some traffic areas. The lady that owns this home has told us she's been here for 13 years and she is moving. So she's selling her home and she wants to get it spruced up before she makes her move. So you can see the traffic areas in this area as well. There's the dining room area there. And now we're going down the hallway and into the living room, where there's a few stains that need to be attended to as well. The homeowner does have, as like I said, a cat. I'm not sure if it was one or two, but the cat has had some vomiting issues on the carpet as well, which may leave some bleaching marks because of the acid in the bile. It does leave bleach marks on the carpet at times, but the bile itself is going to be removed. She's also agreed to do a disinfectant deodorizer to get rid of any bacteria and eliminate the smells that are coming from the bile that's in the carpet. And here's the couch we're going to do. This is a really neat retro couch. Now this mark here, just so everybody's aware, that is fading from where the couch used to sit in front of the window. So that probably won't look much different. However, the red in the couch itself is going to be so bright and beautiful when it's done. And she's also agreed to do the disinfectant deodorizer on the couch as well, because there's kitties here. So that is our before video. And I may take one more video while Harry's in process of cleaning the carpets and the couch as well. So stay tuned for more of this lovely home and how lovely the carpets and the couch are going to look when we're complete. Give us a call, 778-433-9348. Stay tuned.